Hi guys, this is Devin from Neptune Design, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to target your competitors' web traffic. Now, we all have competitors in business. We all have companies that sell more or less the same types of products or services that we sell. So, how exactly do we target the same traffic that they targeting? And today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Google Ads display ads campaign to target your competitors' traffic. Now, for those of you who don't have Google Ads or you would like Google Ads set up for you, you guys can go to neptunedesign.co.za. We do conversion tracking, we do Google Analytics, we do a lot of stuff there. So I'm going to post the link in the description below just so that you can see what we have to offer you. Okay, moving on with the video. So the first question is, Devin, what exactly is a display ad? Okay, now if you go to any popular website, you will see a whole bunch of ads that pop up. Any popular website you visit, they'll always be there. So for example, this is a display ad. It's an ad or advertising space that's paid for by a company. And if I scroll down a bit more, there's another display ad over there. So what you want to do is you want to have display ads displaying at the same places where your competitors are showing their display ads, because obviously they know where their favorite types of customers are. And obviously if you sell the same type of product or service that they sell, you would want to advertise there as well. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Google Ads and I'm going to show you how to start a display ads campaign. Okay, so you're going to click on this plus over here and then you're going to say new campaign. Okay, and here is where you pick the goal of your campaign. It could be either sales, it could be generating leads for your business, it could be website traffic, or a whole host of other things that you want to achieve with your advertising campaign. Now I'm going to choose website traffic because I want more traffic to my website. Okay, so I'm going to say website traffic and then I'm going to click on display ads, and then I'm going to come to the stage where it asks me, do I want a standard display campaign or if I want a Gmail display campaign. Basically what a Gmail campaign is it would be an ad similar to the ads that you see in your Gmail inboxes under promotions. Okay, but we don't want those types of ads. We just want a standard display campaign. Okay, and then obviously you're going to put in your business website. I'm just going to go and get that. Okay, and you're going to say continue. Okay, the next step, you need to choose a campaign name. I'm just going to call this one YouTube video competitor traffic. Okay, and then you get to select what location you want to target. Now because I'm going to be using my competitors traffic, I'm going to leave the setting at all countries and territories, but obviously if you guys are looking at setting up your ad campaign in a particular city or a particular country, then you can target a specific location below, but I'm going to just leave it at all countries and territories. Okay, language English, that's fine, buddy. Now I set most of my campaigns to maximum clicks because I'm trying to get the maximum return for my investment. I'm trying to get the most traffic for whatever money that I put into advertising. So I set it as maximum clicks and I'm going to leave the bid strategy at manual. I am going to be doing a series about bid strategies. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, it will be coming in the next couple of weeks. Okay, but for now we're going to leave this as maximum clicks. Okay, then I just get to choose my daily budget. Now, very important, delivery method. If you want your ads spread out throughout the day in a balanced manner, you're going to go with your standard delivery method. But if you want to finish your budget as fast as possible and show it to as many people as possible, you're going to click on accelerated. So it could easily spend your budget in under an hour. The reason why I choose standard is because I want my ads to show throughout the day. The ad group name, I'm just going to leave that as is. Okay, now usually you would choose your audience. You would choose people that are interested in whatever product or service that you're going to do. But today we're going to target our competitors' traffic. So we're going to skip this section and we're going to go down and we're going to say content targeting. And when you say content targeting, I want you guys to click on keywords, and then you'll see this little green bar here that says custom intent audiences, or it's a new version of audience keywords. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to say create now. Now, there's already a whole bunch of ideas. I'm going to ignore those ideas, and I want a company or a website that does more or less what Neptune Design does. So what we do is we do Google Analytics, we do a lot of web development work, and we do a lot of programming work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my audience name would be my competitor. It would be Upwork. And then all I do is I go to my competitor website, upwork.com. Okay, I got it. And then I will just paste the URL here, and then all the searches or all the places that my competitor shows up, here are all of the ideas. So these are all searches or keywords that my competitor uses, and I can then use it to create a lookalike audience and also pop up in the same place where my competitor is popping up. So I'm gonna choose C, freelance work, hire freelance WordPress developer. I'm going to choose get freelance web development work, freelance web design jobs for beginners. Nope. I'm going to choose Upwork freelancer. Okay. And obviously, if you put more URLs here, you will get more and more types of results and more keywords. So you could basically list all of your competitors here and just keep on adding, so that all the places that your competitor is showing up on search results or traffic wise display ads on websites, that's basically where you'll be showing up as well. Okay, so I've chosen these special keywords. Obviously, if I was going to run a proper campaign, I'd make sure that I have a lot more, but so far these are my keywords and these are all based on my competitor. So I'm going to say create. Okay, and that is done and dusted, and that would be my targeting reach on your right hand side. You guys may have noticed that I didn't put in any specific keywords. What Google has said, or they've released an article that says that if you do choose a custom intent audience, you don't actually need to put any more keywords in. It'll automatically go for the custom intent audience, and it'll use AI to determine what your ad results will be. So you kind of don't need to put in keywords anymore, but I'm going to put the article in the link in the description below. I'm going to put the link just so that you guys can see exactly what Google has to say about custom intent audiences. And I'll also be releasing a series on custom intent audiences, explaining everything and breaking it down as well. Okay, but that's for another day. And the last thing that I need to do is I need to upload my images. So I'm going to choose the files to upload. There, I've got them all ready for me. I'm going to select everything. Okay, some of these won't upload because they are not in the supported sizes and formats, but I think I got a good bunch here. I've got 12 uploaded. If you guys want to see what the supported sizes and formats of the display ads, you just click this button and it'll give you every single supported size. And obviously the more that you have, the more places your ads can appear. So I always advise to get as many of these sizes as possible, or do your ad in as many sizes as possible. Okay, that's all done and dusted. I'm going to click on create campaign. Okay, done and dusted. And that's basically how you can target your competitors' website traffic. Thank you very much. This has been Devin for Neptune Design. If you like this video, like or hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much.